This is Pokemon, and it's one of the biggest game franchises ever. And this is my bank account. Now, I really want to play Pokemon, but in this economy, I don't think that's happening anytime soon. So I was like, wait, why not just create my own version that I can finally play? And then I was like, oh wait, making Pokemon is kind of hard. So obviously, I'm creating Pokemon in Scratch in only 3 hours, because why not? Okay, so here's the game plan. Step 1, make the player. Step 2, make Pokemon. And step 3, try not to get sued by Nintendo, because Nintendo loves to sue people. So now I'm no artist, but I think we should start with the player. We should start by drawing the player. And I must say, this is some pretty good art. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Ash Mustard. Okay, so now that we finished drawing Ash Mustard, let's give him some animations. Alright, these animations look pretty good, not gonna lie. But let's go ahead and actually make Ash Mustard move around. And some simple coding later, we can walk. It was at this point that I decided to name the game Brokemon, because I get it, because it's for broke people and my bank account. Yeah, I'm ending the video. Anyways, next step was to create the actual world. Now I did this with a very common Scratch trick, which basically is you create 2 variables called scroll X and scroll Y, go up or down, and the background would be set to whichever one was called, and then scroll X and scroll Y. Yeah. So now we have a world, a very small, tiny, and depressing world, like my bank account, so it's more accurate. I also added these borders so you can't just walk off the world and break the entire game. Wow. But right now, Ash Mustard has no Brokemon. So let's add starter Brokemons. Brokemon? What's the plural of Brokemon? I don't know. Alright, whatever. Basically, I created the Brokemon lab, where we get our starter Brokemon. Inside it resides the big Professor Broke. Get it? Broke, but broke. Okay. You know what? I'm tired of making jokes, so I'm gonna get some outside help. No, I'm never asking my friends for help again. Anyways, Professor Broke's lab is complete, but we gotta actually pick our starter Pokemon. I meant Brokemon. So, bada bing, bada boom, starter Brokemon. Alright, so the 3 starter Brokemon right now are Fire Gecko, Bulb, and Turtle. Also in Brokemon, all the Brokemon look the same because we have an artist budget of $0. I added some very polished dialogue and bam, we have our starter Brokemon. Or Brokemon, yeah. Before we continue, please subscribe. Alright, now, if you guys have watched the OG Pokemon, you'll know about Gary, Ash's rival. And Brokemon needs its own version of Gary. So, ladies and gentlemen, meet Salary. This guy is a menace to society, and he challenges us to a Pokemon battle. But to battle him, we need a Pokemon battle system. Now, this is a very bare bones turn-based battle system, but let's break it down. So basically, we got 2 attacks, Pow Pow and Cool Attack. All Brokemon have these 2 attacks because, yeah, we're too broke to add more attacks. Anyways, Salary's Pokemon only has 1 attack because Ash has plot armor and he's just cool like that. But basically, what we have just created is an anime battle in Scratch. But we can easily beat up Salary because, plot armor. But that's 3 hours up. This is what I managed to do in 3 hours. And not gonna lie, this is a masterpiece. So, ladies and gentlemen, sit back and enjoy as we play all of Brokemon. All right, that's it for this video. If you guys wanted to play Pokemon or remix the Scratch project, it'll be linked down below. I genuinely love to see what you guys build onto it. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Anyways, bye.